Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you all the products that I've purchased from the brand Sugar. Herein I have all the makeup items and all these I have purchased from the Sugar app. Sugar as a brand is expensive, but the way I have purchased all these products will definitely help you if you wish to purchase the same products, and I'll let you know how you can also purchase all these products at an inexpensive price. So please keep on watching this video till the end. So in the first box I have this blue colored pouch. I'll take it out and show it to you. So this is the blue pouch that I have received from Sugar as a complimentary gift on purchasing of around 1000 or above a purchase of 1000 rupees. There was an offer going on that you purchase for around 1000 or above 1000 rupees. You'll be getting a pouch like this and also a face palette, which I'll be showing you further in the video and let you know which palette I have received as a complimentary gift, and that was really very amazing. The quality of this complimentary pouch is very nice. It looks very cute as well. The size is also very perfect to keep in your makeup brushes and to make it as your travel beauty kit. And it's written property of a stunner, which is amazing. And here Sugar logo is also mentioned, and Sugar is also mentioned on the chain as well. And this is how it looks like, and it is quite spacious. The material of this pouch is of plastic, but it is a nice and sturdy plastic, and this is a nice product. As a complimentary product, I cannot expect more than this, and this is of a very good quality. Before diving into this big box, let me tell you that all the Sugar products come in a very nice packaging. So I had received all the products in this packaging, this cardboard packaging, and the delivery time of those products were also very quick, within a week. It didn't take more than a week to deliver all these products, somewhere around 3 to 4 days only, and I received all these products. And all the products that I have ordered were nicely packed in bubble wrapping like this. So this is how the products are kept in here. I haven't thrown away the plastic packaging and everything so that I can show you guys how the product had come in, and I've also kept the bill in here so that I can easily remember the prices and tell you while I'm filming the video. So these are all the products. So few of the products I have kept it in this bag, and the rest of the products which could not fit in this bag I have kept it outside. So let me take out all the products and show it to you what all I have got. Okay, so to begin with, let me tell you that I had ordered the Sugar Desi Diva Kit, and that was for 14.99. And in that kit I have got quite a lot of products. So, and with that kit I have got this beautiful yellow, mustard yellow pouch with some ethnic print on this, very traditional print, and a logo of Sugar is here, and they have a handle so that you can carry it in your hand, and you have a chain over here where you can open and put in all your products or anything which you feel like. You can use it as a clutch also. This is a very nice pouch and it is quite big, but the only drawback is that this doesn't have a lot of space because you cannot expand it from the sideways. So you can keep a few of your products or few things as a, if you're carrying it as a clutch or a purse with you, but otherwise this is very fancy and this is really very good. And this is the back of this pouch. The colors are very vibrant, and this can go with any of your Indian wear, even it can go with the Western wear also. And so now let me show you the products which I have bought in the Desi Diva Kit, and that kit retails for 14.99 on the Sugar app, and that kit you can only get on Sugar app. I don't know if you can get the kit on some other platforms or not, but it would be advisable from my side that you purchase those kits from Sugar app, because you get a lot of offers while you're making purchases above 500 or 1000 or 1400 rupees. So you get a lot of products as a complimentary gift. So this is the first sheet mask. This is the cheat sheet clarifying mask. This has rose water, tea tree extract and salicylic acid, and this retails for 99 rupees. This controls oils, unclogs pores, controls blemishes, corrects unevenness, clarifies and purifies skin. So this is really good and beneficial for me as I have pimples and oily skin. So this is I'm looking forward to try out this sheet mask. The second product is also a sheet mask, which is cheat sheet anti-aging mask. So the first one was the clarifying mask, and this one is for anti-aging, and this has sea buckthorn, blueberry extract, grapeseed oil, and this improves elasticity, smoothens fine lines and wrinkles, and revitalizes and brightens the skin, which is also amazing. And this is made in Korea and a cruelty free product. So sheet masks are made in India, the sheet masks of Sugar are made in Korea products, and this is also of rupees 99. So these two sheet masks were there in the Desi Diva kit. Plus the Desi Diva kit also comprised of this Wingman waterproof micro liner. The shade number is 01. I'll be black. So this is how the micro liner looks like. The MRP of this product is, I guess, around 499 rupees, as you can see it here, and this is made in Italy, and this is a waterproof micro liner. I'll give you the swatches later on in this video, or maybe I'll insert the swatches or the clips in between on the screen. So this was also a part of the Desi Diva kit. Take out the products which I have kept it in this pouch. So let me first talk about this cute little packaging. So this is the Smudge Me Not liquid lipstick mini. This is the mini size of the liquid lipstick, and as you know, Sugar lipsticks are really amazing. The formulation of these lipsticks are super awesome. You can, if you haven't ever tried Sugar lipsticks, I'll definitely recommend you guys to try out Sugar lipsticks, as they are really nice. They never are very sticky on the lips, as well as they are waterproof, and plus they will last you long. This is the mini size, and if you want to buy Sugar lipsticks, and as the Sugar lipsticks are kind of expensive, so you can definitely go ahead and try out the Sugar kit of mini lipsticks. They have 4 lipsticks set in mini lipsticks, and that retails for around 700 or 800 rupees. You can definitely go ahead and check it out. This is how the packaging of this lipstick is. The shade which I have received in the Desi Diva kit is 09 Sauve Mauve. So this smudge proof liquid lipstick, and so cute the packaging is, as you can see it here. Smudge Me Not liquid lipstick is mentioned over here. The shade name is also mentioned. The bottle is transparent, so that you can have an easy access and look to what the color shade is of this lipstick. The cap is of black color, and this is how the lipstick wand is. This is very nice, as you can see it here. I'll give you a swatch of this quickly. And the shade I have fallen in love with. The shade is really awesome. This will go with any skin type. This is such a pretty shade, as you can see it here. I wasn't expecting that the shade would be so nice and amazing. And the formulation I mentioned earlier as well, the formulation of this liquid lipstick is super amazing. So this was the 4th product. So now moving further, let me show you the 5th product, that is the Stroke of Genius Heavy Duty Kohl Black Magic. This is the kajal, and this is in the shade 05. This is also a nice product. The shade name is mentioned over here. The packaging is super nice, and all these products, let me tell you that all the products are cruelty free, and the MRP of this product is 499 rupees. About the pricing of this liquid lipstick, if I haven't told you, so the mini size of this liquid lipstick is for 249 rupees. I would highly suggest you that you go and try out the mini lipstick kit that comprises of 4 mini liquid lipsticks, and it retails for 799 rupees. So now coming back to this kajal, let me show you. This is how it looks like. The packaging is super nice. Let me show it to you. This is how it looks like. The branding Sugar is done over here. This is not tested on animals, and all the details are given over here. The name is also mentioned, and this is how it looks like, as you can see it over here. And it is super smooth, very soft and very buttery to apply, and the intensity of this kajal is also nice, and it has some shimmer particles. If you're able to see, I'll show it to you. This has some glitter particles, a little bit shiny, not very much, but this kajal is also very nice. The best thing is that this is very smooth to apply. This is what I really like about this kajal. Though it is expensive, but if you are purchasing it in a kit, then obviously the whole pricing comes down a lot, and you get most of the products at a very inexpensive price. The Desi Diva kit comprised of 6 products, and this is the 6th product that I have. If you count this pouch, that comprised of 7 altogether. So this is the 6th product, and this is the Contour de Force highlighter palette. Shade number is 01 Glow Genius And the MRP of this product 799 rupees. And this is the face palette of Sugar. All the packaging of Sugar products are so minimalistic, and yet they are in quality very nice and very amazing. I just love the packaging of these Sugar products. This is how the upper packaging of this face palette is. Now this is how the face palette looks like. All the products are inside this palette, and this has a magnetic closure, as you can see it. So even if you keep it open, it will automatically close, and which is really nice. There is no chance that your product will fall out. So this is nice. And look at this. This is the highlighter palette which I have received in the Desi Diva Kit. These are all the 3 highlighter shades, and it has a plastic film above it which can keep the product covered. And there is a very nice quality mirror also given over here, which you can use while you're doing your makeup if you haven't carried your mirror. How the highlighter palette is. All the highlighter shades are here. I'll give you a swatch of all these shades. And these highlighter are so buttery and soft in texture. Let me show it to you. So you can see it here. This is how it looks like. I don't know, the camera is not able to capture it or what, but the shades are so nice, and they are so soft. This is how it looks like. The quality of these highlighter are super amazing, and the price that you are paying, like 799, they are value for money. You can definitely, if you don't want to spend 799 rupees or 1499 on this kit, you can definitely go ahead and purchase these highlighter shades individually. I guess the price range is around 400 or 399 rupees, something like that. It is under 400 rupees. So you can definitely go ahead and purchase the highlighter palette as well. This is the last thing. This is also a face palette from Sugar. The packaging is same, but this face palette I had received with this particular pouch as a complimentary gift. So imagine, I paid 1499 rupees and I received almost the half price of that kit, a product of just the half price of that kit. So imagine getting so many products in just 1500 rupees. This was just an amazing deal and offer that I received from Sugar, and all these offers you can only get when you purchase all the products or any product from the Sugar app. I'll share the link of the Sugar app in the description box below. You can definitely go ahead and download the app from there and make your purchases. Now I'll show you what this is exactly. So this is the Sugar Contour de Force Palette 01 Subtle Summit, and this also retails for 799 rupees. Manufacturing date is 11/20/20 and the expiry date is 10/20/23. So it is for 2 to 3 years. So this also comes with a plastic film kept above it. There is also a mirror. The palette is similar to the highlighter palette. Only thing that is different in this, that this is a complete face palette. If you don't want to buy the highlighter palette, you can definitely go ahead and purchase this face palette, which has contour color, highlighter color, and a shade for the blush. So they're all the 3 things that you require for your face makeup. This is the bronzer or the contour, this is the highlighter, and the blush. So this also comes in 2 different shade variations. I have the 01, and you can definitely go ahead and purchase the 02 also. I don't know the shade name of 02, but if I find it, I'll mention it on the screen. So I'll show you the shade of all these 3. Highlighter I've already shown, but I'll show you the contour, all the 3 in. The shades are super amazing. The blush shade is also nice, so I'll show it to you. All the products that I received from Sugar Cosmetics. All these products I had purchased under 1499 rupees, and if you purchase it from Sugar app, you are also going to get some amazing complimentary products that I received from this brand. So if you are interested, I've put down the links of Sugar Cosmetic app in the description box below. You can check it out. Thanks for watching. Until next video, bye bye and take care.